that your body is a pen flowing with holy ink, that the pages you are being written on are unruled and marginless as the sky. Little wonder then that you are throwing away all the notepads, closing all the sacred texts. Once you have been authored by a love like that, who could settle for a casual love affair with words, all the two-timing translations? Better to put away all the bed-tossed sheets of paper. Better to let yourself be vellum for the one who wants only to inscribe the silent couplet of his lips unto the naked parchment of your skin, who desires nothing more than to slip the sweet tongue of 100,000 unspeakable verses into the open book of your mouth.